Hi friends, the CGST and SGST will be applicable to all transactions of goods and services except exempted goods and services, goods which are outside the purview of GST, and transactions which are below the prescribed threshold limits. Governance. GST will have two components: central GST, which is levied by the center, and state GST, which is levied by the states. There will be SGST statute for every state. The basic features of law, such as chargeability, definition of taxable event and taxable person, measure of levy including valuation provisions, basis of classification, etc., would uniform across all states. The administration of the central GST would be with the center, and for the state GST with the states. States would also administer the central GST for dealers with gross turnover below 1.5 crores under the central excise (CENVAT). Registration. There would be a single registration or taxpayer identification number based on the PAN for direct taxation. 3 additional digits would be added. This may know as BIN, that is Business Identification Number. Applicability. HSN will form the basis of product classification for central GST and state GST. Payment of taxes. Procedures for collection of central and state GSTs would be uniform. States would collect the GST from all registered dealers. States also will collect central GST from dealers who are below threshold limits and transfer the funds to the center. The central GST and state GST are to be paid to the accounts of the center and the state's governments separately. Taxes paid against the central GST shall be allowed to be taken as input tax credit for the central GST and could be utilized only against the payment of central GST. Cross utilization of input tax credit between CGST and SGST would not be allowed. Tax returns. The taxpayer need to submit periodical returns to both the central GST authority and to the concerned state GST authorities. There can be a common tax return for both taxes. The rate of goods and services tax is yet to be decided. That is a very important factor, considering all the features we discussed in this video. Thank you.